What does it mean to me to be promoted to professor? Well, it's a big honour. We have some amazing professors, past and present. To be a part of that tradition is a pretty special feeling. I'm Sally Hill and I'm Professor of Global Studies here at Te Heringawaka, Victoria University of Wellington. My inaugural lecture is about different ways that people approach dealing with the objects or inscriptions or places that are part of a painful or a shameful period in a nation's past. I've always been fascinated by visual culture and the visual arts. I also was very interested in literature and cultural studies. It's always important for us to be aware of the way that the past shapes the present, and the stories we tell about where we've come from and where we're going make a huge difference. I've been working on this project with my colleague Giacomo Lechner, who's the Associate Professor of History, around the idea of making fascism visible in contemporary Italy. The kinds of discussions that you have with somebody who's coming from a different disciplinary area make you think differently, make you question some of the preconceptions that you might have had. In Italy, there's an enormous amount of buildings, inscriptions, monuments. As more time passes, they sink into the landscape. Often the debate about it sort of swings between we should just get rid of them all or, oh, they're part of history, we should preserve them all. There are lots of different answers in between those two poles. In Aotearoa, New Zealand, thinking about how people around the world are finding ways to deal with them or not can be really useful for us as well. My parents always really encouraged me from a very young age to follow my curiosity. My dad was a physiologist. He also just really believed in the idea of the universities. You didn't have to just follow one pathway, but that you could work across disciplines. If I could invite anyone to my inaugural lecture, who would it be? My high school English teacher, my master's thesis advisor, and my PhD dissertation advisor. Some of those teachers that I hope everybody has in their life, those teachers who make you feel like you have potential that you didn't even know yourself. It's an amazing tradition of having the inaugural lectures. It's also a thrill to be part of that.